2012 Accord Crosstour. Versatility. Is it a sports car or pack it full of gear and it becomes an SUV? Accord Crosstour and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 300 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, navigation system, traction control, airbags, automatic transmission, cruise control, Bluetooth, FWD, remote power door locks, compass, heated driver's seat, passenger airbag, power windows, tachometer, leather seats, speed proportional power steering, heated passenger seat, heads-up display, remote window operation, rear parking aid. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.